What's going on, everybody? Don't mind me absolutely mogging you guys right now. I'm about to hit the gym, but let me do a quick trade recap real quick. Okay, so coming into the day, we were absolutely free falling into the 4 hour chart, and I wanted to see us sweep this low because we didn't really have much here. We had these lows and stuff like that were okay, but I wanted to see us get a reaction off this low. And what did we do right at open? Well, I'll tell you what we did right at open. We absolutely, let me go into replay mode. Fuck off. There we go. At open, we took out the low again. I don't know why I'm on the fucking 30-second. This fucking shit sucks. Okay, so this is a 3-minute chart. Immediate reversal up. So we swept out internal lows and we were reacting back above the 4 hour low. So what did I want? I wanted this 2-minute inversion. This was already fucking textbook. I was lit. I was hyped. I mean, there was no SMT, sadly, but I love the momentum. I love that we were coming back. Everything to me, sweeping these internals, everything was screaming bullish. So what did I do? I wanted the long, and we got the shittiest close ever. So for me, I always want to take a trade and break even at the first internal high. And then I'm going to look for unfilled gaps and, bigger targets above. For example, this unfilled 15, this unfilled 15 were going to be my final targets. But what happened, we took out the internal high, which made the setup invalid, and then for the rest of the day just decided to absolutely pump with no retracement. Then what happens? So obviously, as you guys know, we'll put that away, that trade didn't happen. At 10 a.m., we opened a new 4-hour candle. And what we did at 10 a.m. right here, here's 10 a.m., as you could see, we immediately manipulate low. And what happens there? We tapped this very small 4-hour gap. So I was like, okay, let's see. This run, this push up was so aggressive. Look how many 5 minutes we left. So this is an unfilled 5, unfilled 5. We even left an unfilled 2 unfilled 15s. Super aggressive push, and I'm thinking, okay, this 4-hour will get us a retracement. But clearly we're bullish. We'll probably get a retracement off this 4-hour to continue going higher to our draws. Our draws being, unfilled hourly in 4 hours and session highs here. As you can see, these highs are like beautifully stacked. So I was looking for shorts here off this 4-hour tap in order to get a short to one of those unfilled gaps below. And what happens at 10 a.m., we sell off and we leave these relative equal highs. So I'm like, all right, shit, let's go up and tap this 4-hour, please and thanks. But it looks like we were just moving lower. Thankfully, we get this move up back to the 4-hour and an immediate reaction off of that. And what do? We sweep out this internal liquidity right here. I don't think there was an SMT, but let me check just in case. But I'm pretty sure there wasn't. Yeah, there wasn't. So then we left this 30-second gap. So immediately, I already know what's coming. Why didn't you take it to the 5-minute? I take 1-to-1s, especially in this shitty-ass market. We have been leaving obvious targets like it was fucking, it doesn't make any sense to me. But this is A+. I knew that we were going to continue long on the day, but I just wanted my piece of the pie, and I felt like this 4-hour with a great reaction, sweeping this liquidity with unfilled gas below was going to hit. So I put my stop above the high. I didn't want to see us come back up and make another move off this 4-hour. If this 4 hours was going to play out, it was going to have to play out immediately to rebalance. So what happens? We get a fucking fantastic close. We have this internal low below to go break even. And then we have our take profit at a 1-to-1. Stop 53 points being above the high. What happens? We almost, look at this shit. Stop out of doom. But what happens? We tap the 4-hour again and beautifully react off of it. And then fucking TP just gets smashed, as you can see. And what happened? What ends up happening? Look how close we got to the 5-minute. Look at that. 4 points away in this volatility. But you may be asking, why did that happen? Why did we not, hit it? It's because there was an SMT with ES. ES hit the 5-minute about, when did it hit it? Like right here. So if you were taking it to the 5-minute, you could have manually exited for 6 more points than I did. Because of that SMT with ES. So you always got to be paying attention to ES. So for everybody saying, why didn't you take it to the 5-minute? I take it 1-to-1, but even if I did take it to the 5-minute, I would manually exit because of that SMT at the low. You do not want to get fucked by that. So then I think I got off after this, but I think we just ended up trending back up the entire day. Yeah, did we even make a new low? Yeah, so I really bottom ticked my exit. Like, I got out, and then we just went back to fucking plunging up to our targets. But yeah, that was the reason for the trade. I put it in my trade journal on my Discord, as you could see. Today was definitely shit PA, but I was able to snipe this 30-second. It has everything you need from the checklist. We're getting internal liquidity swept. We're getting a higher time frame thing. We have an obvious draw being those unfilled gaps. 30-second inverse, beautiful reaction, like immediate reaction, great momentum close. No crazy wicks or anything, just a clean close. Don't want to see price go back above this swing, and then a 1-to-1 with a great break-even spot being this internal low. So yeah, that was the trade for today. I'm not going to be trading No News Monday next week, so I'll be on Tuesday, and then FOMC is Wednesday. So yeah, so one trade, easy, quick, and done. I think it was 3 wins. No, I didn't trade Monday or Tuesday. I had 2 wins, 1 loss this week or some shit like that. I don't even remember. I think that's what it was. But yeah. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.